I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turbocharge a VW Beetle engine. First, ensure your engine is in excellent condition, as forced induction adds significant stress. You'll need a suitable turbo kit, including the turbocharger, manifold, intercooler, and fuel system upgrades. Proper planning and component selection are crucial for a successful and reliable installation. This guide will walk you through the key steps to enhance your Beetle's performance safely and effectively. Choosing the right turbocharger and manifold is critical for optimal performance and fitment. An intercooler is essential to cool the compressed air, preventing detonation and increasing power. You'll also need to upgrade your fuel system, including larger fuel injectors and a more robust fuel pump, to deliver adequate fuel under boost. Don't forget a high-performance exhaust system to handle the increased flow. After installation, an aftermarket engine management system is vital for controlling your newly turbocharged engine. This allows for precise tuning of air-fuel ratios and ignition timing, which are critical for both performance and engine longevity. Professional tuning is highly recommended to ensure safe and reliable operation, preventing potential damage from improper settings. Always monitor your engine's vitals closely during the first runs. Once everything is installed and tuned, perform a comprehensive final inspection. Check for any oil or boost leaks, and ensure all clamps and connections are secure. Regular maintenance, including frequent oil changes with high-quality synthetic oil and checking boost lines, is paramount for the longevity of your turbocharged engine. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks and other helpful resources for your build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.